Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm back. And it's time to eat again. And y'all, today I made some barbecue chicken wings and some boiled eggs. And I have no explanation for this combination other than the fact that this is exactly what I wanted. I have some Caesar dressing on the side for the salad. I also have some wheat bread back here. And for dessert, some muscadine. They're like sweet cherry grapes. That's what they taste like. I also have some lemon water back here. Let that sit for a little while. And I got this big behind bottle of Tito's again. I'm making some strawberry lemonade. This smells good and sweet. Cheers, y'all. And a special toast today to everybody who is watching and you are subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because you know you're coming back to see what's going on. I love y'all. I do. Oh, this is about to be good. Cheers, y'all. Oh, it's strong. Ooh. Yikes. Let that sit for a little while. Let the ice melt. Oh, dang. Y'all, I didn't realize it was gonna come out like that. Oh, I'm so hungry, y'all. I made some extra large organic brown eggs. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. White sometimes doesn't show up on the camera. I got a 10-pack of wings. It only had 9 pieces in there. And it only had 1 flat. Luckily, I like the drums. I really was gonna just sit here and eat boiled eggs with y'all, but I said no. Let me bake some wings. I baked them at $2.95 for 3.5 hours. Ooh, it looks so good, y'all. You see? That's good. That's so good, y'all. I've been working out more, trying to get back into the rhythm since my shoulder is better. Y'all, I be feeling so hungry. I'm hungry all the time. All the time. It's so good. Today, I was working out outside early. Mm-hmm. 6:30. It was cold out there. It was cold out there, y'all. It was cold. I had to come back and get a coat. Got my little jacket. I haven't bought a coat since I was living in Atlanta. But y'all, I'm fit to take my ass back to Florida before it gets any colder here, because it never really got that hot. It didn't. I only left Florida temporarily anyway. I just left temporarily because I had to get my shoulder together. But I'm good now. I'm good to go now. For real. I learned a lot. I met a lot of different people. I experienced a lot of different people. And it was fun too. Yep. It was fun. I can't lie. But those of you who know. I am a Florida girl at heart. Any old beach just won't do. So, therefore, I made up in my mind the other day. Before September the 17th, what's today's date? The 15th, the 16th? Before a month's time, I'm out here. I'll be back in Florida before it gets too cold here. It'll be a good time. Yep. It's a little bit better now. Yep. That's good. See, I like when it's kind of watery. Yep. But yeah, y'all, I have had an amazing time. Nobody ever guessed where I am. So, I told y'all I was only gonna say it's, ooh, I told y'all I was only gonna say if somebody figured it out. Nobody figured it out. And that's cool. All I will say is it is a major city on the East Coast. Okay, this fork. I don't need it. Either way it goes. I'm happy. I am happy. I hope y'all are happy too. Just wherever you are in your journey. I hope you're feeling good about yourself. Ooh, this is good. It's hot. That's why I got this bread. In case it got too hot. Ooh. It got real for a second, y'all. I like it though. I like when it's too hot. Yep. I like mixing heats. So I got black pepper, Tabasco pepper, and danger sauce. And plus I put cayenne pepper on the chicken when I baked it. I like spice. That's good. Yep. Here's the flat, the one flat. Oh, this food is so good. I want some more hot sauce, but I'm not gonna do it because my mouth is burning. Mmm. It's good. Ooh. Y'all, I'm so excited to go back to Florida. And my friends there, really make me see that I should have complained that it's not really that hot here. Mm. I should be thankful, you know, because they said it's hot as hell down there. Ooh, that hot sauce good. It's good, y'all. It's so good. But yeah, I'll be on my way. Probably the second week in September. Ooh. Oh, this is so good. I want some more heat. So, let's tell y'all a little bit about me. A little bonus info. Well, I probably said this before, but anyway. I was born in New York. And then I also lived in North Carolina. I went to most of school in North Carolina. And then I think I probably split elementary school between New York and North Carolina. But we kept going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, spending chunks of time until I was in high school. So I spent a lot of time in New York. Spent a lot of time, ooh, everything's sour, y'all. I spent a lot of time in North Carolina. And I moved to Atlanta. And finally to Florida. I've been at home ever since. I never felt at home until I moved to Florida. That's when I finally felt like I belong where I am. And every time I leave, ooh, it's sour. Every time I leave, it's only a matter of time. But I ain't leaving no more. I wouldn't have left this time. But I had to take care of my arm. Alright, y'all, let's eat this flat, finally. I know y'all like, dang, she really liked the drums. I wouldn't even, you know. I could have done without this. It's good though. This was a good meal. I said I wasn't gonna put any more hot sauce, but you know. Hey. This right here, y'all. This was some good food. And with the Caesar dressing too. Trying not to pour anymore. But, you know, I love y'all. Maybe I'll vlog one more time before I leave. And see if maybe then. All you really gotta do is guess. I could tell you this. I'm not in the dirty, dirty South. I am not in the dirty South. I'm not in the deep South. Nowhere near it. That's what I'm trying to get to. Yep. I'm an island girl. I'm an island girl. I'm an island girl. I sing that song every time it's time to move back to Florida. Shout out to the twins. My mouth is burning. Yes, it is. And shout out to the twins. Y'all know the twins I'm talking about? The one that sings Island Boys. Yep. Yep, they talking about Florida. I didn't know people say, what the hell y'all talking about? Florida ain't no island. If you get it, you get it. If you get it, you get it. Ask Kodak. He'll break it down for you. I love y'all.